Hey, what's going on guys? First Tech Up here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to unbox the all-new Infinix Hot 7. The Infinix Hot 7 is a successor to the Infinix Hot 6 that was released last year. The version I have here has 2GB of RAM and a 32GB of internal storage. But before I begin, please kindly hit on that subscribe button to show your support and also turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on my future videos. Opening the box revealed the smartphone on top with a label that houses some specification about the phone. The 6.2-inch smartphone feels compact and small. Let's keep it aside and see what else is inside the box. We'll get back to the phone later. The next thing inside the box is a customer service card for warranty purposes. Moving on is a 5V charging brick. Though it is not stated if it supports fast charging, but I guess it will juice up the 4000 mAh battery within hours. Next is a micro USB charging cable. And don't expect to see a Type-C cable here since it is an entry-level device. A standard earpiece, an X-Club leaflet which is a guide to download and registration process of joining the X-Club family, a user manual, a plastic screen protector, and a transparent hard plastic case to help protect your Hot 7. Back to the device, let's take the wrap off the display. It feels compact and small for a 6.2-inch smartphone. It is well put together, it doesn't feel too heavy even with a huge 4000 mAh battery inside. So after a quick rundown from the initial setup process, you are greeted with the familiar home screen coming from the Infinix XOS Honeybee version 4.1 on top of Android version 8.1 Oreo, which I feel it isn't right in 2019. Why not just give us version 9? On the back of the device, you have a dual camera setup which is a 13+8 megapixels camera with a dual flash, a fingerprint scanner, you have a speaker grill below the Hot branding. At the bottom, you have a micro USB charging port. On the right side, you have a power button and the volume rockers. On top, you have the headphone jack. Then in front, you have the front-facing camera with a single flash. Then when you pry open the back cover, it reveals the 2 nano SIM slot with a micro SD card slot and a 4000 mAh branding. It feels like a very familiar device, yet it looks new. So let's talk specs. The Infinix Hot 7 is powered by a quad-core MediaTek CPU that is clocked at 1.3 GHz, paired with a 2GB of RAM and a 32GB of internal storage. Then what is running the light is a 4000 mAh battery. Moving on is the display. The Infinix Hot 7 packs a 6.2-inch HD Plus display which is a 720 by 1500 screen resolution in a screen-to-body ratio of 8.2. It looks beautiful with the rounded corners, it has good viewing angles with deeper contrast. There's nothing to complain about the display here apart from the lower resolution, which I don't really see it to be something that is bad considering the price point. The only drawback is that YouTube videos will be capped at 720p. Other than that, it shouldn't bother you on your daily usage. I noticed a little bit of responsiveness coming from the Infinix Hot 6, but I have to reserve my judgment for the full review, so make sure you subscribe with the notification turned on so you won't miss it. About the camera, the Infinix Hot 7 packs a dual sensor behind which is a 13+8 megapixels camera, which I believe the 8 megapixels is for depth sensing. It has a dual flash at the back for night shots. Then the front, it has a single 8 megapixels camera for your selfie and a single flashlight as well. And these are the sample shots I took with both rear and front facing camera. So tell me what you think about the sample images in the comment section below. According to Infinix, the 4000 mAh battery should be able to deliver an uninterrupted experience with any kinds of entertainment, be it watching videos, browsing the web and playing games. You are guaranteed with a long-lasting battery. The Infinix Hot 7 is a minor upgrade from the Hot 6, which is not bad in any sense. It should be able to cater for your basic smartphone needs. At 42,500 Naira, you get a smartphone that comes with a 2GB of RAM and a 32GB of internal storage, with a CPU that can handle your basic smartphone needs. It is safe to say that it is a good bargain at this price point. I wish the Hot 7 came with Android version 9.0 out of the box, although there is a rumored upgrade to Android version 9.0 in the near future. Do let me know what you think about this phone in the comment section below. Share your thoughts with me. Is it worth upgrading to if you already have the last year Hot 6, which itself has similar specs and run Android version 8.1? Like and share this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.